Welcome back to Hot Car Track. This is a redesign of the Xriss Xross section, which I do have for sale up in my Etsy store at the moment. But I've just made a couple of tweaks to it, which is having a far better performance run overall. What I've done is I've just changed the angle of these two pieces here. So when the cars come off the 6-lane ramp, it's not as aggressive heading into that Xriss Xross, and of course they fly down and then go through the finish line on the 6-lane Hot Wheels track. I've got some cars up here and just give them an individual run, and then we'll run a race. So as you can see, they fly through it. And this is designed to join up to lanes 1 and 6. I think I've got that finish line back to front at the moment. But this will just give you an idea of how it goes. This is a stunt piece, so you know the cars need to pick their line in order to get through it. I think it's a fantastic track piece. Straight through. Lane 1. This one here has so much speed. This little guy here, this truck, this ute. Let's put him in lane 1 and see how he goes. Here we go. He's got too much speed. We'll go back to this guy here. And he's obviously caught himself into some trouble. So it is a great fun piece to have. Let's try the truck and this van. And the van gets through. Let's get the mighty Holden. Sorry, I don't have a racetrack in here anymore, so this is all I have. I've been having loads of fun doing this. I kind of miss racing a little bit. Let's try the Holden and we'll try the van, see how we go. Oh, they both stacked it. So it's a load of fun, hey? But yeah, maybe a few more edits on these pieces just to get them a little bit more smoother. But you know, it is a game of chance really as you come through, you know, down through this section, you know, getting into this Xriss Xross. The cars really need to pick a straight line. My next edit will be, I'm just going to extend these walls out a little bit fatter here and see how it goes. I made another section here, but that didn't work. But I gave that a go, and there's another one, and there's quite a few that I've done. But let's have a look here and see who's going to be the winner. I say Holden. And it's Holden all the way. Go the mighty Holden, I say. Well, there you go. That is a load of fun and will be a great asset to your racing. I do have this up for sale, but I might pull it from Etsy at the moment because it's not quite finished. So this is still a work in progress and it's almost done. Just a couple more edits and we'll have this thing nutted out. All right, catch ya.